Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to check profiles you visited on Instagram. And we're going to launch our Instagram application. And then let's say we tapped on guy's profile. As you can see, it took us into his profile. And let's say we're going to like one of his videos. And let's say I'm going to like this one. And then let's go back and let's say we refreshed our page by accident. You can see it actually took us into another page. In order for us to check that profile we visited, all we have to do is to tap on our profiles here at the bottom, and then we're going to tap on the three lines at the top. Then we're going to tap on your activity, and then we're going to tap on the like since we actually liked that video, and then we're going to tap on the video. And in order for us to actually view their profiles again, we're going to tap on their names, and as you can see, we are back to their profile. In the case that you commented to that person's video, you can still tap on the comments. You can say you don't have one or sticker responses, you can still see them. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.